On this episode, we're building a bird feeder with a spy camera. This is the template for the mounting. Don't lose it. Band clamps for mounting. Don't lose it. So this one has the optional solar panel to keep it charged. So that's pretty cool. So it looks like this is the perch screw. Yes, it is. Perch is mounted. And then all we have to do is slide this on. Slide it on. And then, how do you get it off? Okay, don't slide this on. Don't slide this on. Got it. So this is metal. This is plastic. Slides on pretty easy. And then there's a lid with a porch. Seems like it should go like this. Oh, I see. Pop this out. Slide this down. Slotted right here. And that clicks back and locks. So there, that's done. It's got a camera that's adjustable and a charging port right there, but this one has the solar panel, so let's charge it for a while. So now I need a mount. So we got the birdhouse assembled, sort of. Now we need a birdhouse stand. If you're of a certain age, there was this game called tetherball, where they took a post and put it in a tire and sunk it in concrete with a rope and a ball, and you hit it around in circles. So this is a rim for the X19, and this is a genuine Pirelli P3. It's an antique. It's got great tread, but it's a P3. So that's how old it is. Never going to use it because it would just fly apart. So this is my bead breaker. It's a vise. And we'll break the bead. I don't think it's gonna work. So what you got to do is get the bead of the tire into the center of the tire, the rim, so it'll shift this way, and then we can pry it up. Don't hit your head. So now what we managed to do is get the rim stuck in the tire. But it happens because we don't know what we're doing. And it's really, really stiff. Okay, so we got the rim out. What a pain. The things we do for love. That's a good spot. Right there. So now, I got this piece of fence post. We put that in there, square it up, weld it. I'm going to keep the bottom off the ground. So this is what, 1.5 inches higher. Oh, look at that, it's straight. Oh, it's pretty straight. All right, we'll work on that. So I need to clean the rim off to weld. So it's right there in the sun drying. Through the magic of video, this is almost dry. So it's flat black. The wet parts, they're still shiny. Don't touch those. So two things. The mounts are pretty much too wide to screw into, but they do supply this clamp. So I'm going to try that. And then since it has the solar panel, that has to be oriented to the south so it gets the sun. So I'm going to try to figure this out the best way I can. We'll just call that north. My wife's going to want to watch. She's a bird voyeur. So we'll put this here. And I'm pretty sure this clamp is going to snap if I put too much torque on it. But we'll see. That's pretty good. Cool. Oh yeah, we're good. So this is going to slide on here. And snap into place like that. And then it has an antenna. And we put this on like this. Six miles of cord. I know. Sometimes, right? You just want to say, hey, there's an easier way. Lost my washer. How's it look? There you go. Take off this little thing. And then the camera controls are on the back. And there's some sort of app. Oh, there's a squirrel protector, but I don't think I need that. Squirrels got to eat same as birds. That thing over there is the lawnmower. So the food goes around the camera. And then it's movable up and down, on and off buttons up here. So that's it. One Birdfy birdhouse mount built and installed. Fiat well, technically Bertoni X19 rim as the base. Galvanized post. Thanks for watching. Y'all have a good day. Bye, lawnmower.